claims that if you use this serum for 3 days, in the morning time and in the night time, you will see a visible change on your skin. You must be thinking by using this serum in 3 days, everything is going to go away from my skin, all my dark spots, all my acne spots, all my sunspots. But this is not going to happen, let me tell you that. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I hope all of you are doing well. So in today's video, I will be talking about Garnier Vitamin C Serum. But before proceeding further, I'd like to just let you know guys why serums are so important in our skincare regime. Now serums are made up of very tiny particles, and that's the reason it can penetrate your skin and it can go into deep layers of your skin. It can treat your skincare problems. It is just like a secret weapon, which can cure all your skincare problems. Now it can be anything. It can be acne, it can be fine lines, it can be dullness, but serums are very effective to cure all your skincare problems. Now my all-time personal favorite serum is Vitamin C, and it is the most searched serums in all around the world. As you know guys, there are multiple benefits of using Vitamin C serum. It acts as an antioxidant, it treats your fine lines, it treats your acne, it brightens up your skin, it removes all the dark spots, sunspot or acne spots which you are having. So in one bottle you are getting all the solution of your skincare problem. At least I believe in this. And that's the reason guys, you should incorporate Vitamin C serum in your daily skincare regime. I'm using this Garnier Vitamin C serum from few days and I am really liking it. It is very lightweight and it gets quickly absorbed in your skin. Now this Garnier Vitamin C serum comes in a glass bottle and it has a nice dropper also, and that's the reason taking out the product becomes so easy and product doesn't get wasted also. Now this product is very rich in vitamin C guys. It is having 30x vitamin C in it, and that's the reason it is very effective in treating dark spots, acne spots or sunspots. Now I am a person who loves to incorporate vitamin C in my diet also. I love to have vegetables which has vitamin C in it, or I try to have fruits, like amlas, lemons or oranges on a daily basis, and that's the reason I like this product so much, because it is really rich in vitamins. Now guys, I have already covered all the key points of this serum. Now you need to know how to apply this serum.
So first things first, we have to start with a clean face, and for that I'm just removing all my makeup with Garnier micellar water. You can even use a face wash to clean your face, and then I'm taking 2-3 drops of Garnier Vitamin C serum directly on my face. I'm not using my hands, and then I'm just gently patting the serum inwards. Now guys, you can use this serum both in the morning time and in the night time. You have to use a moisturizer after this, and if you're using this serum in the morning time, make sure that you use a sunscreen.
Now the brand claims that if you use this serum on a regular basis, that means on the morning time also you have to use, and in the night time also you have to use, your dark spots, your acne scars will go away. Now you must be thinking by using this serum in 3 days, everything is going to go away from my skin, all my dark spots, all my acne spots, all my sunspots. But this is not going to happen, let me tell you that, because I have used this serum for 3 days, but I have seen that my dark spots, that my acne scars, that my sunspots are really fading away, and there is a soft glow on my skin, and yes, that change was very visible. My skin looks much more brighter, healthier, fresher. My dark spots are really lessened, and I am so happy guys, and I will definitely continue using this serum. Now this serum comes in 2 different sizes. For the 15 ml bottle you have to pay rupees 225, and for the 30 ml bottle you have to pay rupees 450, and you have to use only 2-3 drops for each and every use. So this bottle is going to last you for a long time, and definitely check out the description box for the purchase links. So guys, if you have liked this video and found this video informative, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.